Good morning, Zimbabwe. Once again, we want to brief each other on what is happening step by step, day by day. I hope you have also seen that there is much wrestling and much stress. Guys, I wonder about protecting your precious life. It is said there are mercenaries brought by ED into the country to protect the Ganandas. And Comrade Geza also said he has sent some people to catch the Viganandas. And so, in the process of catching Viganandas, Comrade Geza said they might try to shoot those who want to catch them. And he further said those who will be shot by the mercenaries might shoot back. This arrangement, we didn't know about it, but it's said by the commander. Maybe he knows how he has organized that. But he went on to say, if the public goes into town, they might be caught up in a crossfire, where unspecified people might fire guns against each other. Those who want to defy Geza's call, stay aware that Geza warned you because he loves you. ED is reported to have to be coming to the State House today at around 10 o'clock. Geza has known that. What is not known is how Geza will react. Comrades and friends, ladies and gentlemen, when it comes to fighting with guns, many of us know nothing. We are novices. My advice to Zimbabwe is that let those who know about guns fight on their side and let us pull out. We must not be the grass that must be trampled on by the fighting lions. Stay at your home for safety. Do not just follow the wind. We never know such a situation. Either parts of the fighting parties might send their fighters into town to square up. It is safer to avoid unforeseen dangers, especially if such dangers have been threatened beforehand. Whatever we do, Zimbabwe, let's try to be truthful and laughing and abiding by the law. If you get injured after having been warned of the danger impending, the law will not protect us. I urge Zimbabwe to stay at home. We are adults. We are gray-haired. Ukanzi chati kwatara wachinzwa. Nyuma Chamisa is with us insofar as all our acts are within the bounds of the law. Madzibaba Shanduko's presence in this whole fight, which we call a peaceful stay away, must mean a lot to us and all Chamisa supporters. Let's stay at home for safety. Futhi izvo zvinozikana nanozviziva isati zvizivi ngatigare kunze kwazvo hatizvigoni. We demanded that Mnangagwa must address us today, and he agreed. Let's hear him speak. Maybe he might yield in. Who knows? We have made demands to him, which we expect him to immediately address. If our demands are not addressed, we have no kind of words to him. but to continue telling him to do the right thing. Step down. He knows his sins. Police, army, and other uniformed forces. You have a duty to protect Zimbabwe, not individuals in Zimbabwe. If you don't protect Zimbabwe, you are not our uniformed force. You have become part of the Ganandas. If you protect sin, also you cease to be our army. We advise you to stay safe. We advise you to stay in the side of the people. Your offices are public, and you are there because of the people. So we are proud of our army because you are our army. Now, the thing that we must all know is that if a person is alleged to have committed a crime and that person is preventing the course of justice to take place, what it means is simple. It means that this person knows his sins, but he does not want his sins to be revealed to the people. And he does not want the course of justice to take place because he knows that he is guilty. So what ED is doing, Mnangagwa is doing now, to shut the parliament, it shows that he is aware of his sins. That's what it means to us. But since he's coming to address, we never know what he addresses. Let's stay at home quietly, listening carefully as to whether or not he will address our demands. If he doesn't, we will simply come back to the people and tell the people that our demands are not addressed. You see, we hear that he has bought a county in this country, another country in the Asian areas there. If he does not want to do what we want, he better goes there and stay with his children and the whole family and all the Gananas. He must go and give them stands in that county in Dubai so that we don't continue suffering. What we don't want is, for me, I don't want to do anything illegal. What I want to do is legal. To tell someone who is trembling on my right to step down. This is the issue. So those who are in town now, please go back home. Go back home, you never know what is coming. We are telling you, go back home.
Madzibaba Joshua vanooneswa zvese vari pamweya, so kana uchida kushandirwa kuitirwa dare avabhadharise, vafonere izvezvo neproblem iri kukunetsa, vatotanga newe pafoni yako ipapo, daila panhamba dzavo dziri kubuda paskrini, wotaura kuti madzibaba ndibatsireiwo, wobva wavaudza dambudziko rako. Kana washaya mbereko, washaya basa, waita urovha, vafonerei panhamba dzavo dziri kubuda apa. Izvezvi so mubatsirwe pamatambudziko ese ari kukunetsai. Madzibaba Joshua vanooneswa zvese vari pamweya.
Machinda edare tinoti kwaziva noitwa Madzibaba Joshua ndosara ndakapiwa nemweya. Tinogara nzvimbo yedombo shava, ndokwandinogara. Saka ndauya ndinoti ndinobatsira hwai kune vangade kundibata, nhamba dzangu ndichasiya pazasi. Ndinobatsira matambudziko akasiyana siyana. Vane mashavi ekudziva, vane matare varume vakaenda, vane matare ekupinga musha, vane matare akasiyana siyana. Ndiwo mukana wekuti muyambuke, ndiwo mukana une kutora zambuko. Uyezve matare yangu mini ndinoita pachena, handibhadharisi. Saka ndinoti uyai vana,